Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. Quick update here about the most imminent price movement. So yesterday and the days before we formulated here the target range for the wave 2. Yeah, we even had here an additional support level onto the chart which we nearly reached. I think we missed it by like $1 or something. But we came into the green area, which is the reversal area out of which I expected the price to reverse out of. That reversal area was located between Fibonacci retracement levels, here between the 78.6% Fib level and the 50% Fib level, which is between $41 and $43.70 roughly, measured from the low at $39.05 all the way up to $48.41, which is a key resistance level. So we have reversed, we are even breaking out of the descending trend line, and we could now march on and move to the upside. However, if you consider what I talk about on the ETH, in the ETH video, in the ADA video, and the Bitcoin video, I still expect one more leg down. So we need to be a bit careful here at the moment. This could have been only a wave A of a larger 3-wave correction. We need to be careful here. Yeah? So if this is the case, then wave 2 wouldn't be finished yet. Yes, we are reversing out of it, so that's fine. But for this scenario, we have to assume that wave 2 might only finish down here, a little bit lower. So at the moment, what I'm gonna do, I'm putting an alternative wave 2 here. So this here was, at the moment, for now, we can assume that this might have been wave 2, but we're not sure. So we still have to have on the radar that this was only the first wave of a wave 2 correction, which means that alternatively this here was only a wave A, and we're moving up in a wave B, and would then come down in a wave C once more. Now that wouldn't be a massive problem, because irrespective of which of these scenarios is playing out, I would expect after the wave 2 is finished a move up in a wave 3. However, for Solana, as I've said in the previous videos, Solana is really the coin which is probably the weakest one at the moment of many of the coins I'm covering. It's not moving up very convincingly, and therefore we need to be a bit careful here with Solana. So it's probably the coin where I would have least confidence in of the main ones that I cover. But just because we haven't seen the evidence in the price yet. We can be carefully bullish, but very carefully here on the Solana chart, So, and especially if we lose this swing low here of the wave 2 at 34.60, then I think it will put this entire bullish scenario into question, where we had a wave 1-2, another 1-2 setup, and another 1-2 setup, and we're now forming another 1-2 setup, which I explained in the previous video what that means. And if you have too many of them, it will get unrealistic. So be careful with Solana here, I can only tell you that. Major breakout point will be at 48.42, 48.41. If we break above that, I think we could see a rally all the way up to $58. So what would be the target for this wave B if we are in this scenario? So again, we're drawing the fibs from the top to the low here, from 48.41 to 42.55. And we can identify then the area here between the 38.2 level at 44.80 all the way up to the 61.8 level at 46.17. Here we would ideally stop in a wave B and reverse down in a wave C. So if you see the price has struggles or difficulties to get through here, it really might be this scenario that we have only an A, B, C unfolding here, and we'll need to be a bit more patient that the wave C is going to unfold before we can move up again. I would not short any of these movements, so I would not short the move from wave B to wave C. I'm not doing that. Reason is because I believe we are in an uptrend, or possibly in the beginning of an uptrend, and I would never trade, or if I can avoid it, I would not trade against the trend. Okay. But this is sort of what we're looking at, that we are indeed moving higher. I would want to see impulsive price movement above 48.42. And that's my update about Solana. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership, and also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter, and you can find the links for those in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.